Dumpster rental service in Evansville, Indiana. Handling a big cleanup? You can count on MK Rolloffs for the best dumpster rental service in Evansville, Indiana. We take pride in offering top-quality dumpster rentals for projects of every size. Whether you're cleaning out a home, renovating, or managing a construction site, we have the right dumpster for you. We know the importance of keeping your project on schedule, so we provide fast and reliable delivery and pickup. Our team is here to help you choose the perfect dumpster size to meet your needs. We offer a wide range of dumpsters, so you'll never have to worry about space or capacity. We aim to make waste removal stress-free and straightforward from start to finish. We're proud to serve Evansville as a local business that cares about the community. We believe in honest, upfront pricing with no hidden fees. Our dumpsters are clean, durable, and ready for any waste you dispose of. When you work with us, you're partnering with a team that's committed to your satisfaction. We're always here to answer your questions and ensure your rental goes smoothly. Call us today at 812-798-7308, and let's get your project moving. We're ready to help you tackle your cleanup with ease.